on YouTube? You know it's your boy Click Man. You're tuned to Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at Ishowspeed clips, and these are not any and every clip. These are just the ones that made him famous. We know how famous this guy is, how fast he blew up, and we're just gonna be going back to those day one clips that really put him on the map. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button, and let me know which one of these clips you think rightfully put him where he's at. We're just gonna get right into the video as usual, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yo, chat, why this game so fun, chat?
This game is not fucking fun. Yeah, it's the screaming and shit, man. And the thing about him too is he plays every fucking video game, bro. Honestly, I don't know, man. I don't know how much you'd have to pay me to act like this still, but he's a character.
Goodbye, bro. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Yo, why the fuck does he look like a jacked kangaroo? Yo, you know the picture of the jacked kangaroo I'm talking about? That's literally what he looks like.
Guess what?
What's up? You got $1 million?
Guess what?
What's up? Tell me.
Guess what?
What's up?
Guess what?
What?
I'm gay!
Yo, this nigga has a problem. These things are definitely caught the attention of everybody, man. Yeah, I feel like as a streamer or as anything, you gotta have some money to be destroying the fuck out of shit like this. You an upcoming streamer, do not do this shit.
Ew, bro, fuck this shit. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
Oh, yo, what the fuck?
Bro, move, bro, what the fuck? Move, bitch. What the fuck is that fat like?
Yo, this man loves those fucking boosts, bro.
Fat bitch. Fat bitch. What the fuck is that? Fat bitch. Bro,
These guys are so stupid. I know this fat guy's tired. Like, you did your part, they paid you, you can stop, man. Don't get a heart attack. Yeah. Bat Mysterio.
I'm playing, bro.
Man made a girl come defend him.
I think it's...
There's something behind you.
Ben?
Ben, do you support Black Lives Matter?
Yes.
Do you support LGBTQ? Man, what the fuck? Hey, but look though. Hey, hold on, wait. All right, but look though. I got a psychological question, okay?
Psychological
Say if
question.
people on Earth, and we had to reproduce to make the world continue. Would you reproduce with me?
No, because that means our kids will have to intertwine, and then their kids. No,
Who gonna stop me?
What?
I will.
Who's gonna stop
Yo, hold on. This nigga didn't get cancer for saying shit like that.
me?
I will.
If we the last two people on Earth, who gonna stop me?
Gee,
You're not stopping me. If we the last two people on Earth, who gonna stop me? Bro, how do I pick somebody up, bro? How do you, bro?
I'm waiting. Hurry up.
What the fuck?
I'm sorry.
Slap my ass.
No, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. All right.
Yo, bro, what the fuck was that? I've never seen that clip before. Whoa, what is this nigga on, bro?
Come on.
This nigga's fighting a dog.
Damn, bitch!
Yo, low key, bro, these virtual reality games are dangerous as fuck.
Damn! Alright! Calm down, playboy!
What is wrong with this man? Yeah. He's possessed. Yeah, bro, it must have been a full moon or something. That shit was stupid. Fuck.
Hammerhead
Yo, why NLE chop out his teeth? Why does his teeth look like they're like fixed in his mouth where he can't close his mouth?
Shark boy, look at that. Lava girl, look at that. Anthony Davis eyebrows
It's just crazy how the man will bark and go back into character. He's like, it's dog time. It's human time.
God is good. God is great.
Man turned into Sunday service real quick.
God is good. Okay. Okay.
Yo, this nigga is so dumb, bro. Man tore down his green screen, bro. Honestly, yo, these scare games are kind of fucking wild. I never tried playing this game. I should have tried it. That's too much people in the lobby. You gotta mute those, man. What the fuck is going on here, bro?
Okay, we friends now?
No.
That's a bitch, bro. This nigga a bitch, dog.
That's why his mom flamed him. Yo, can you imagine living in a house and Speed as your fucking brother or something? Like, I'm sure you'd enjoy the money, but the noise? Alright, man. Okay.
I'm bisexual.
Nah, this guy's different.
Huh?
I'm gay. I'm fucking gay.
Nigga, I'm full throttle gay, bitch. Fuck is you talking about,
I'm
nigga?
gay.
Bitch, I'm gay, bitch. Shut your bitch ass up.
Your bitch ass up. I'm on penis. I'm on penis in my fucking mouth. Shut your bitch ass up.
Duty booty! Duty booty!
These niggas stream everywhere. Oh.
Oh my god!
It's like one of my biggest fears on a roller coaster. I do not want to pass out.
No, you're black! Bro, I'm not watching these fucking ass no more, bro. Fuck! And you gave me a
I'm
nut.
gonna teach you a really easy trick that
Oh,
will
really?
impress all of your friends.
Oh, really?
What you want to do is play
Alright.
these 3 notes,
Oh.
and you start to get faster and
You said, oh.
faster each time, like this.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Oh! Oh! Your middle
No, oh, for real. That shit was lit.
name is Pierce, bro. I feel something. What is that hard?
That's his dick.
This game is not scary, dog. I told you, bro. This Fuck me. Damn.
Yo, every time you
You
talk,
definitely shouldn't watch his lives with headphones on, with the
every
volume.
time you talk, you wanna know the only thing I hear? Hi, my name's Speed.
How's Uzi roasting you?
Keep talking that shit, man.
Yup, keep talking that
You
shit.
know what's
I got-
crazy?
look,
You
look,
no, wait. You know what's crazy though? You know what's crazy though? No. You know what, nigga? You short as fuck.
Mm-hmm.
You know what's crazy? You short. You a fucking midget, nigga. You 5'2", nigga.
Remember that episode? Remember that episode of SpongeBob?
You
When
a
they got-
no. You know what's
Bro,
crazy?
how the fuck did they get to roasting each other, bro? This shit is stupid.
How many buzz tickets do you?
Yeah.
Already?
That's actually funny, bro. Where was that? That was at. It wasn't Bikini Bottom. It was Rock Bottom or something like that. You remember that episode? That shit was funny.
Oh my god, I gotta work out. No more.
I'm on crack, bitch. I'm on crack, bitch!
Not crack.
Ow.
I'm a crack, bitch!
I believe you.
I like 15-year-old girls!
What?